entrepreneurs. I'm going to go ahead and get started. This video is going to teach you how to add a careers page from Indeed into your website. So one of the people or one of the gym owners that has already done so is Mitch at Fit Club. And what he has done is he's created a careers page at the very bottom inside of his footer at the bottom so people can find it. That's typically where you're going to find a careers page. If you do create this, you can add it at the top, but we don't recommend it. You don't want to gum it up there. You want your prospects and leads to have access to those things pretty quickly. But if you do create this and you put it at the bottom of your page, it'll look something like this. You'll notice that it's still a FitHive page. Now it's just /careers. And we have Indeed embedded into it. Looks super professional, looks good, looks clean. But if somebody's going to apply for it, when they click onto it, that's when it actually goes to the Indeed jobs. But they'll be able to apply through the website directly through Indeed, as well as look at the other items. Or if they're already on Indeed, these could pop up. Or if you're really needing a coach or whatever type of position that you're trying to hire for, you can also boost it on Indeed if you'd like to do so. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is go in and create an Indeed employee account. They are completely free. So I'm going to go to Indeed.com. You'll just want to create an employee account. The easiest way to do it is just hit post job, click the company, fill out the information that goes on. I already have an account, so I'm going to go ahead and log into it. Now, once you're here, you can go back to hiring, or if it takes you directly to your dashboard, that's okay too. You can bring it here. What you want to do is go down to your View Careers page at the bottom right. And then you're going to want to get the snippet. Once you get this snippet, you're going to copy. And then I'm going to put in the file section something you got to put in front of it to make it look correctly inside of your FitHive. But you can paste it. And then right here, this little bit of coding right at the beginning of your snippet, make sure you take that little space out. So you want it to look like this is what you're going to need. So I'm just going to use Mitch's. Go to your account. Open up your website, add or manage pages. We're going to add a page. We're just going to call it careers. You can lock this down to a landing page if you wanted to, but you don't really need to. Same thing with the header. You can lock this stuff down. Don't really recommend it because you want people to have access to everything. Then you're going to put in this raw HTML, CSS. Take that little snippet along with the additional coding that we added and hit set content. And then we can always preview this just to see what it looks like. And you're going to notice that that little snippet that we added at the beginning of it makes it centered on the FitHive page. So that looks good. Now, what I would also recommend here is just add little sections above it or below it. You could add in your logo. I'm going to do a basic content. I'm going to delete this. I want to make it centered. I'm going to add a picture. Let's see what kind of pictures we got. I'm going to go with, sure, we'll put Max Fitness up there. And we're going to make it responsive center. And we're going to say, and obviously you can put anything you want in here. I'll make it bold. Ready to join the best team in the fitness industry. Boom. I'm going to set the content. I'm going to save this. And I'm going to check out my page. Perfect. So I've got my openings. I've got everything here. I've got my page created, so I'm happy with that. I saved it, so it's going to be /careers. Now what I want to do is put this careers page somewhere. And I'm going to go to my menus, edit website menus. And I've already got a footer here. If you don't have a footer, you can create one by adding a menu. Don't make it primary because that'll replace the one at the top. You're going to want to make it a footer. I'm going to go back to my footer. And at the bottom of my footer, I'm going to add a menu. And I'm just going to name it careers. And then I'm going to add that link that I just created, or that page that I just created. I'm going to hit save. And I'm going to go back. I'm going to open up my website. And this is the demo account. So there's a ton of random stuff on here, but I'm going to go all the way to the bottom. And now I have my careers page at the bottom of my website.